What if you could create a completely realistic AI influencer in minutes for free? Today, we're showing you exactly how. AI influencers are revolutionizing content creation. No scheduling conflicts, no drama, infinite scalability. From fashion brands to tech companies, businesses are leveraging hyper-realistic AI faces for marketing, testing, and creative projects. The barrier to entry? Almost zero. Let's build one together. Start with Midjourney's free trial or Flux AI for portrait generation. For animation, DID and Synthesia offer free credits. Combine these, generate a face, add voice with 11 Labs free tier, animate with DID. Stack free tools strategically to create a complete influencer without spending $1. First, prompt. Second, pick your best. Third, add personality through voice and movement using free animation tools. Fourth, script content. Fifth, publish across platforms. Quality takes iteration, but the cost stays zero. Disclose AI generation. Transparency builds trust. Avoid impersonating real people. Own your prompts, document them. Use consistent styling across posts. Update monthly to stay fresh. The legal landscape evolves fast, so stay informed. Your creativity matters more than perfect realism. Ready to create? Hit subscribe for weekly AI art tutorials like this video, and drop a comment telling us what influencer you'd build.